Are you okay, dude? Lie down. Lie down. Yeah, I'm being a little bit. Yeah, dude. You wanted to sit down, right? I think he's not a contractor, right? The fucking hectic contractor. You check his home. Dude, no, this is...